Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got an unboxing for you. Now this comes to me from ArtBusy, and I really like this company. I really do. But this came in a white box. All the boxes I have received from them have been black. This is the first one that I've received that is a white box, so that's just a little different. But I will leave a link to this canvas in my description box. That way y'all can go check it out. I also have a 10% off coupon code that you can use, and then that way, you know, you get 10% off your purchase. All you got to do is type it in at when you go to check out. There'll be a little section there that says I think gift card or promo code or something like that. You put in my code and it'll take 10% off your purchase. So what did I pick from ArtBusy? Well, let's see. Now I chose this one because I thought it was adorable. It is a smaller size. Now, with ArtBusy, you choose whatever size of canvas you want. You can choose your own, you know, if you like round drills, or if you'd rather have square drills, you can choose that. You can choose whether you want ABs, fairy dust, you know, all the things. Or you can just get one that doesn't have any of the specials or anything. So this is the canvas I chose, and I thought it was adorable. Now, this is poured glue. Alright, now, let me get this straightened out just a tad. Their canvases are really thick. You know, this isn't that flimsy stuff. Their backs of their canvases are that really soft, flocked material. It is scalloped, which helps with fraying. Their logo is right here on the top. You can see it says ArtBusy, has their little cat. Here is the item number, and you can see that this is a 35 centimeter, and it is in round. Now, if I'd gotten square, it would have said, you know, probably SQ or something. It does have a thumbnail and a schematic on both sides. And it shows this has got 35 colors, and it looks like it's only got 2 ABs, which is fine. But this is called Flower Elephant, and I love the colors, and I just thought this was adorable. This would be great in a kid's room. This would be great as a baby gift. If you know anybody who is expecting, you could do this, put it in a frame, give it to them for a baby shower. So yeah. So you've got the rainbow, and you've got some butterflies and a bird. You've got the elephant in a bubble bath with the flowers, and then all of these flowers around here. Very cute. So their canvases comes with a standard toolkit. You get a white tray with a spout. You get a larger thing of wax. You get a single placer pen with a, looks like a 3-placer multi-placer, and you get a pair of their metal bent tip tweezers. Alright, so all of their kits that I have gotten so far, they have an inventory sheet. It's not a sticker sheet, it's just an inventory sheet. So it looks like the 2 ABs is going to be these two. So it's 210 AB and 744 AB. And they look really good. There's quite a bit of this purple, which you know it's just going to be scattered everywhere. Now, I do like that their kits are pre-bagged. Of course, here's your inventory sheet with the thumbnail. It has all of your colors on there. It shows you've got 2 ABs. It does have DMCs listed. It has your quantity and your weight of your drills. It is 1 through 8. And then you have letters that are all in order. And then you've got symbols on the bottom. So this is gonna be really cute. Really, really cute when it's done. Now, I have unboxed a few of their kits, and I have not had any issues with any of the drills. And I think their ABs and stuff look really good. Look at those colors. Those are so pretty. So, so pretty. And I do like that on the bags, it has their name of their company. It has the weight of the drills. It has the number of which one this is. And it has the AB, or the DMC number on the drills. I like that. Now, their canvases are very sticky. Very sticky. And this has got a lot of line blocking. We've got a little bit of color blocking in here. And then some confetti. So this is a nice mix. This canvas is a very nice mix. All the symbols are very clear. I love this little dude. I really do. Now, with ArtBusy, it is worldwide free shipping. So, I think this kit was less than $20. I'm pretty sure it was. I'm thinking it was like, might have been right at $19 for the 35 by 35. Now, I could have gotten a 30 by 30 or a 30 by 40, or you can get it as big as 100 by 100. So, it's just whatever you want to pay and how large of a kit you want to do. So, totally up to you. And even the bigger kits, they're not that expensive. They're really not. These are really premium grade canvases. Really nice. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, I will leave a link to this canvas in my description box along with that discount code so that you can get 10% off your purchase. So yeah. So, again, this was called Flower Elephant. So, alright, well, I appreciate you watching. And until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.